Hi, it's April Braswell. And in case you ever Google things about using essential oils, there is a popular question about, are essential oils safe to use internally? And if you just do a basic Google search, you're going to find where well-meaning people are posting about really what you might describe as average essential oils, maybe the kind of stuff you'd get at, the popular mainstream stores, whose names I don't want to mention out of being polite and copyright potential issues. And then, of course, also the health food stores, the one who's in your local neighborhood, the one where you live, as well as maybe some of the ones that are a little more national or regional. Now, I love my health food stores for buying terrific organic produce and knowing that that's the case, but that is not the place to go buy essential oils where they're not an essential oil company. So their essential oils, and this is why you'll see those posts over at the Google's from the results from blogs, or where someone's writing an article but not an academic study, they'll be saying, oh no, you can't go take essential oils internally, it's not safe. Well, there are essential oils which are safe to take internally. I'm going to focus on just two of my favorites that I love to use in my drinking water. So I work with clients a lot who are getting off of cigarettes or who are getting off of alcohol. And it is very common that our system needs to cleanse and detox after that. And so a very simple and gentle detox that you can do is to use lemon essential oil. I actually like to double the power. One of my favorite essential oils to take internally is clementine. It's a little bit sweeter, just like those cuties and the clementine tangerines that we get in the wintertime. They're so sweet and so tasty. So I do a few extra and start with the clementine and then some of the drops of lemon, so I get that little extra punch of the two of them together. Now, how can you know it's okay to take that essential oil internally? One, doTERRA oils are CPTG, it's a mouthful, certified pure, tested grade oils. They have it on the side. There's actually words there that tell you and confirm this is an essential oil which you can take internally. The other great shorthand way to know for sure that you can take it internally is there's a supplement. You can't even quite see it with a reflection. There's a supplemental label there on the side. This one then is one you can know with certainty you can take internally. Well, how do you go about doing that? How do you take them internally? You always want to put them into a glass container or stainless steel. I love to do the stainless steel for my citrus oils, and I use this is probably about 15 to 17 ounces of water. I've already put the water in. You're going to turn it, there's a very liquidy oil, so you're going to turn to about a 90-degree angle. 1, 2, 3, boom! You can see it there going. It's about between 90 and 45 degrees is where the oils are going to pop out. Now, with that stuff you got at the department store where you had to use a ton of it in order to get any maybe close to an effect, with doTERRA, 1 drop is a dose. So I only put in a couple of drops for that whole bottle of water. Now, I like to combine them for full flavor and efficacy. So the clementine, I use a little bit more of the clementine. I like it a little bit sweet. So I do the same thing with the clementine and turn it to that 90-degree angle. And there you're going to see the drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's just my preference. I would recommend the first time that you're doing your oils in the water that way, start with just 1 or 2 drops in your large container of water. Try it. See how you like to take it. You might end up using 3 drops, 4 or 5 drops or so. Discover just the right amount that you enjoy, and then drink up and know that you're doing a wonderful, gentle internal cleanse and detox for your organs. Happy oiling!